Simon Says subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications.
Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial from Simon Says It. Sometimes more than one chart or a combination of data in a single area might be needed to depict the data in the most effective way. In such case, we can use the secondary axis to represent two various data points in a single chart. In this video, I will show you how to add a secondary axis in Excel. This is an easy method to create a graph or chart with data from different units. Depending on your selected data, Excel offers you suggestions of charts to plot the data. To plot the data in the form of a graph, first select the data. Navigate to Insert. Under Charts, click on Recommended Charts. Depending on the data you selected, Excel offers you recommendations of charts. Select one that suits your purpose best. Clicking on Recommended Charts opens up an Insert Chart dialog box. Click on your preferred choice of the chart and the description of the chart appears with its use cases. Click OK. The chart gets populated in the middle of the Excel sheet. Once the chart is populated, you can now customize the chart to your liking. Now let us see another method to add a secondary axis in Excel manually. First, select the necessary data. Navigate to Insert. Under Charts, select any of the charts you want to use to represent the data. Once you click on the chart, it populates in the center of the screen. From the chart, you can see, along with the sales made, the profit is also plotted with the same scale. In case the data is too small to select, click on the larger data and press the Tab key. To right-click on the secondary data, hover the mouse over the data. Then the mouse turns into a four-sided pointer. Now right-click and select the Format Data Series option. This opens up the Format pane on the right side of the sheet. In the Format pane, under Series Options, select Secondary Axis. To change the secondary data into the preferred chart type, right-click on the secondary data and click on Change Series Chart Type. This opens up a Change Chart Type dialog box. This dialog box provides a variety of options that enables you to create, customize, and combine any chart independently. To change the chart type of the secondary axis, click on the drop-down from Series 2. This shows you different types of charts to choose from. Select the one which is most preferred. Click OK. This adds the necessary secondary access to the existing chart. That is all, everyone. In this video, we saw how to add secondary access in Excel in two ways. You can choose any method which suits your purpose. Hope you liked it. Suppose you have any queries, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. We are always happy to help you. Thank you.
If you're not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. To see the full blog article that this video came from, please click over there. And click over there to see more videos from Simon Says It.